am hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, hustling, hustling.
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today we have a banger daily market news and analysis. So without any further ado, let's bring the action. Hello. What's your take on XRP? XRP is the winner of the start over of grand epic proportional magnitudes. Some would call it a great reset. They are the winner. Yo, Ski, what up, bro? What up, Be Like Water? She says quant is quanting. We're going to get into the TA on quant later on in the video. Quant, I hear you. Yes, we in here. Quant, take it out. All right, so we finally got members on YouTube as well. If you are a Patreon subscriber, it's the same benefit. So if you want on YouTube, we have the lowest level. You get bumped to the front of the line. We have the, let's get some music. The medium level is you're going to get access to my private Discord. And I have buy, sell alerts, and trading videos on there. And the highest level is portfolio reviews. So if you guys want to support me on YouTube, you can now do that. All right, so let's get into the show. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go over what I believe to be the most relevant news of the day. So we're going to go over the top stories of crypto. Then we're going to go into the charts. Specifically, we're going to look at Bitcoin. We're going to look at Quant. And we're going to look at XRP, of course. And then after that, we will get into your guys' price predictions, whatever coins that you guys want to look at. After that, that's when we'll do that, okay? All right, so the top story, XRP Army, beware, be aware. Pro XRP lawyer's Twitter account hacked. Don't click the link he shared. All right, so this is a warning. Always look out for, scams and these type of things. Do not click on any links from that. So always verify the links as well. Is the music too loud, by the way, guys? What up, Ski? What up, bro? Next, in 2022, the U.S. Senate passes a bill to hire 87,000 new IRS agents to investigate citizens' finance. Yesterday, the Senate blocked a bill to monitor and audit billions of taxpayer dollars sent to Ukraine. You love to see it, or you hate to see it. Just in, 139 million bank Heartland Tri-State officially closed by regulators, the fifth U.S. bank failure this year alone. It says, I can't hear any music. Really? You should be able to hear some music. I'll turn it up a little bit for you. All right, next, House Financial Service Committee bill passes bill protecting the right of self-custody. And oopsie daisies. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button. And Senate blocks creation of oversight office audit to Ukraine aid. So that's the part where we were talking about earlier. They blocked, basically in the bill, they blocked the ability to see what was sent to Ukraine. So there you go. Just in, The Simpsons predicting the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin to infinity and beyond. Because if you measure it in US dollar, if you measure it in US dollar, it will be infinity. If you measure in Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin equals 1 Bitcoin. The Brick says, will the SEC appeal? Thoughts? Probably. But if anything, it will just strengthen and solidify the positioning. XSP, please. The music is fine. E-Gold, I got you. I'll get into the coins after I do the stories and the overall chart analysis. All right, next. We already went over that. Justin, John Stewart learns fiat money is
would
fake.
it be 6 trillion currency that has been sort of created out of thin air, has been added into this economy through the Fed? What would you put as a figure? Would it be 6 trillion? Is that too much?
It would be, 6 trillion in terms of deposits with the banks and currency. Be 6 to 7 trillion.
Okay. That they're just injecting into it sort of out of nothing.
Out of nothing. They're the central bank of the United States. Now,
oh my
think about
God.
it. It's just another form of government debt. Am I making sense?
It makes sense in the make-believe world of Conjuring. Like, there is a certain part of this that all feels like a mirage to some extent. Do you know what I mean? It all seems sort of fake.
Well, it's a fiduciary system. It's all faith-based, right?
Oh my Lord!
Yes, you got to have confidence in that currency, in that dollar, because there's nothing backing. There's no gold backing it.
So it's in some ways it's a mass delusion.
Well,
how much?
Well, there you go. Magic internet money. The US dollar is magic internet money. Bitcoin is magic internet money that is real because we say it is real. The US dollar is magic internet money that is real because we say it's real. One is backed by the full faith and trust of the United States government. The other is backed by math. Great content, you savage. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. All right, another blow to the SEC. It lost another lawsuit. There's a secret cryptocurrency deal in the judge's decision. So basically, the SEC lost another lawsuit against other cryptocurrencies. I think we'll have a double top again, 100K psychological level. Very possible. All right, let's get into the charts. So we're gonna start with Bitcoin, or we'll start with Quant. That's what the thumbnail is. That's what the title is. We'll start with Quant. And then we'll do Bitcoin, and then we'll do Ethereum, and then we'll get into your guys' coins. So you guys can go ahead and start dropping them down below. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button, hitting that like, and commenting down below. All right, so basically, we have had a breakout, or what appears to be a breakout for QNT. Now, confirmation of this breakout. This is very good signs. Having a cross to the upside, yellow, crossing the blue, about to cross the green. So the 8 is crossing the 21 and about to cross the 55. This is very, very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. Okay? And we've had this downward trend, this pattern for the better part of 200 days. Okay? Now, confirmation that this is a breakout for Quant, for QNT, would be body closes. Let me say again. Body closes above $112. Double confirmation would be a test on the 200 moving average right here at $118. Okay, now I have an upside target if this is a confirmed breakout of $177, right under the 382. It wouldn't be weird for us to get to $182. In fact, I actually moved this a little bit, so there we go. Yeah, 177 to the upside. However, this could be a fake out, and we could break to the downside. That confirmation of a breaking down would be body closes below $93. And I have a downside target of about $77 if that were the case. Either way, long term, extremely bullish for QNT. I would love to see a breakout right here. Love to see it. That's where I'm leaning towards. But downside targets, you're looking at $77. Either way, I'm bullish long term on quant. All right, let's get into Bitcoin. He says, is crypto your living income or do you have a job? Yes. This is it, baby. All right, so I told you guys in a previous live stream, Bitcoin, we have a couple more days to get another leg higher. If we don't, we're going to get rejected and we're going to back test the green, aka the 55 moving average. That is exactly what we have done, and we have found multiple days of support on this moving average. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of support, and we now have our first green candle. So this looks like a clean back test. Can you do XYO? I got you. This looks like a clean back test. XTC prediction. I got you. This looks like a clean back test. Now what we would like to see is the yellow to cross again above the blue, putting us back in the most full bullish energy or structure. And then again, same thing, upside target of 48K. Downside target, it wouldn't be weird for us to have like a little flash crash down to 236, sort of a liquidity grab before going up and away. I anticipate us to just kind of waddle around here until the next new moon energy. Okay. Same story for XRP. I told you guys in a previous live stream, if we don't break up, then we're going to get rejected off the 618. That's exactly what happened. Rejection off the 618 and come back to the 0.5. And I anticipated us to trade in between the 618 and the 0.5. That looks like exactly what we're doing. This to me is a decent price. When's the next new moon energy? About 5 days before the new moon and about up to 5 days after. That's sort of the window of time where things tend to like to have upside potential. Not always on the day, but that's how things tend to play out. All right, let us get into your guys' coins. All right, so eGold was up first. EGLD. And then we got XSP. And then we have ILV. XSP again. Phantom. XTC. FTM. Prediction by the end of year for XRP, $1.11. XCC and Engine, ENJ, Dent. What up, Ski? XRP to 10,000. The Simpsons predicted it. You would love to see it. He says it was 589. DAG. Yearn Finance. XYO. All right, let's get into it. eGold. First on the list, L. What up, Ski? What up, bro? Crypto crew in the house. LCX. Phantom is on the list. XSP better than Sauce. I haven't heard. I don't know anything about XSP, but I can look at the charts. Render. All right, E-Gold first. All right. A little bit of an uptrend here still. You could classify this as higher lows. We'd want to get this thing moving though for E-Gold. Automatic rally $72. Retracement for E-Gold $278. Max retracement is $389. Parabolic level for E-Gold $1371. Hello, is comp worth investing? I do not hold any comp, but that does not mean it's not worth investing. But I can look at the charts on comp if you like. Is it DEX for SEC? Ooh, interesting. Might be worth me looking into. Zilliqa, please. Very interesting. Indeed. ICP. Let me know, comp. Very interesting. We in the building. We here. ILV. I think I have ILV on the list. I do. ILV is on the list. Phantom is on the list. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button. Let's continue. Next, XSP. If it's brand new, I don't know if there's going to be enough data, but we'll take a look. ILV, XTC, Phantom, Engine, Dent, DAG, Yearn Finance, XYO, LCX, Render, ZIL, ICP, and Comp. Jamaica in the house. I love your channel, bro. Thank you. I appreciate that. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Where are you watching? Where is your viewing pleasure from? What house are you a part of? All right. Let's keep it going. Let's keep her going. All right, XSP. We'll take a look. XSP. I don't think there's enough data. Yeah, I don't. There's not enough. There's not a good chart for this one, brother. Let's look at it in the future. All right, ILV. He says scale storage at work in Oklahoma. Jersey in the house. Lake Worth, Florida. Australia. Uh-oh, camera's off. Australia. All right, ILV. Automatic rally for ILV. How's the music, by the way? Too loud? Good. Kenya in the house. Let's go. Automatic rally 171 for ILV. Retracement is 768. Parabolic level for ILV is 3,800. Would be crazy. Quant is on the move. Certainly is. Love to see it. Mexico in the house. Let's go. All right, XTC is next. What coin should we be accumulating? Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Quant, for sure. That's my top 4. Quant looks like it's prime for a breakout. Not financial advice. XCC had a breakout and a little back test on the 236 here. Wouldn't it be weird for us to kind of hang out before the next leg to the upside? And the next leg would be about 8.4 cents. Maximum retracement for XCC is 12 cents. Parabolic level for XCC is 64 cents. Hawaii in the house. Let's go. I've been to Hawaii before. Matic, I got you. I loved Hawaii. It was a great time. All right, Phantom. The music is good. All right, cool. Link. Music is great. Music is good. Music is great. Dope. All right. Phantom already hit the automatic rally. Retracement for Phantom is 172. And then parabolic level is $11.69. Engine. Automatic rally is 69 cents. Nice. Retracement is $2.52. Parabolic level for engine is $12.27. DAG. Automatic rally is 7.7 cents. Retracement is 23 cents. Parabolic level for DAG is $1.14. Uniswap. XSP, por favor. I looked up XSP earlier, and there wasn't a good chart for it. There actually wasn't any chart, so we'll look at that later. But as of right now, there's not a good chart for that one. BBTF and Uniswap. KDA. I'm really excited, you guys. I have a lot more time on my hands to really just focus on creating the best quality content for you guys. And I think that the fruits of my labor are going to really pay off, and you guys are going to get a really good quality product for that. So I'm really excited for the future on things under wraps for you guys. What do you think about KDA? I think it's medium. It's a minor, so like I'm biased towards proof of work. Novus, Scotia, Canada. Welcome. I'm biased towards proof of work. But you know, there you go. It's a proof of work. I don't know a whole lot about it. Alonzo says, how do you make money with crypto to pay bills and stuff? It's feast and famine. So you kind of live off savings, but I also have a mining farm. I do liquidity mining. There's different ways to earn passive income, but I also do content creating. So that's where some of my money comes from as well. And I have other businesses as well. I'm an investor. I have rental properties. dividends, silver, a Bitcoin mining farm, liquidity mining farm, Airbnbs. I'm all over the place. Do you like XRP? I love XRP. My pinned video on TikTok is why I hold XRP. XRP is the start over of grand magnitude. XRP is my largest holding. Bitcoin to 40K? Very soon, my friend. Should I sell the rest of my Litecoin? Ski! Young Skeezy, what up, bro? Can you do VRA? I can. Says I think both Sauce and XSP will run like Uniswap did, Cake did, and the Bull Run. Realm, please. Yeah. You put me on to XSP. I'm gonna look at that one before the halvening. Typically, so like the halvening, the only real halvening that matters is Bitcoin. To be honest with you. My rule is anytime you double your money, just take 10%. So if you double your money, take 5 or 10%. If you ever have life-changing money, take profit. What's your thoughts on VRA? It's solid, bro. Pi Network, I don't have any thoughts on it, but I can look at the chart if you want. What's your top 5 holdings? It was Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Quant, HBAR, but I've removed HBAR from my top 5. Still in my top 10, but I think I would have to put in, I would probably replace it with, usually goes down when announced. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I would just base it off of your portfolio, like what your percentage is looking like. You know what I mean? What do you think about KDA? I think it's solid. I'm biased towards proof of work because I'm a miner. All right, let's look at Dent. Dent is in my top 5. Low market cap gems. That could 50 to 100x. All right, automatic rally for Dent is 002. Retracement 1 cent. Maximum retracement is 1.4 cents. Parabolic level 7 cents. Which would be an 84x to the parabolic. Now, I think that Dent will probably just retrace, and that's still a 13x. But if it goes parabolic, it could 100x. Can you do price prediction for KDA? I got you, bro. Replace HBAR with Sauce? It's possible because HBAR's or Sauce is in my top 10. Sauce is in my top low market cap gems that could 50 or 100x. So that's possible. I love Sauce, man. Sauce never let me down. Not one time. XTC. I did XTC already. 64 cents is the parabolic. All right, let's continue. Yearn Finance. All right. Retracement is 11,800. Not retracement. Automatic rally. Excuse me. Retracement is 43,000. Parabolic level 205 to $285,000. Cat. Says, I love sauce. That's going to retire me. Let's go. Yeah, I love sauce too. XYO, LCX, Render, ZIL, ICP, Comp after is the next like 4 or 5. Tech World says, Yearn Finance is a good coin. I love it. Seems to have a pretty strong community. All right, let's look at XYO. I think this is like Be Like Water's coin too. Be Like Water, you always asking me about this one? I think you are. All right, retracement is 1 cent. Retracement 4 cents. Maximum retracement is 5.5 cents. Parabolic level 20 cents. When Bitcoin moon, bro. The next new moon. We're gonna have a breakout. Probably. LCX. Tech World says my top 5 are Bitcoin, XRP, ETH, Quant, and Yearn Finance. That's a solid list. Solid list. I do portfolio reviews and exit points to consider. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. But that's definitely a solid top 5. All right. Automatic rally for LCX is 10 cents. Retracement is 29 cents for LCX. Parabolic level, $1.43. Render. Yeah, Render's chart looks really good. Clean back test. We had this crazy uptrend, but we broke to the downside of it. But this looks like a clean back test to the 236 here. And we found support on the 200 as well as the 236, as you can see, getting above the 8 moving average. We want to see this yellow cross the blue and the green to continue. Did you do Caspa? I haven't. Big D in the house. What up, bro? How much percent should you hold in Bitcoin and Ethereum? A lot. Like 70% of my portfolio is in my top 4 or 5. ETH and Bitcoin are both in there. Can you do Ocean? I can. I'm going to join the Patreon. You can just become a member. So YouTube is now doing members. It's the same perks. So the $10, the second level is the first level of Patreon, and then the third level is the second level of Patreon. So that's the portfolio review. The second level is you're gonna get access to the Discord, the private Discord with buy sell alerts, and all my videos, all that. And then the first level, you get bumped to the front of the line for your coins. EWT, I got you, bro. All right, retracement for Render. I got distracted, my bad. $3.40. Parabolic level is $23. I buy 1% of Bitcoin every 1K I buy in altcoins. I mean, the important thing is to just have a plan and stick with it. Me personally, I dollar cost average every single week. And I also bought dollar cost average into USDT and USDC, and I buy the dips with that. All right. Zilica. Automatic rally for Zilica is 3.5 cents. Did I miss XYO? You did. Certainly did. I'll look at it again. I don't remember what it was. I think 20 cents is the parabolic. Ocean's on the list. Can you do render, please? I literally just did render. Render was the one I just did. Somebody help him out. I don't even remember. I already forgot it. 12 cents. And then parabolic for Zilica is 57 cents. ICP, Comp, LSS, Scale, Matic, Link, BBTF, Uniswap, KDA, VRA, CAT, Caspa, Ocean, EWT. He says, I'm going to join the first tier. No one puts baby in the corner. What are you talking about? Puts baby in the corner. Render is $3 parabolic, $23. $3 the retracement and $23 for the parabolic. Hey, thank you, Knowledge. Knowledge is over here dropping knowledge. Appreciate it, brother. $11 is the retracement for ICP. Not the retracement, the automatic rally. Excuse me. Retracement is $44 for ICP. Parabolic is $297. This is the Dirty Dancing reference. ADA. I got you. Knowledge. The inner echinaceas of my mind are an enigma. You may be an open book, SpongeBob, but I'm a bit more complicated. All right. Comp. Damn, comp's looking extra breedable and submissive. This is a break out of this huge range and then a back test on top of it. So this is really good. Alright, so let's put this right here. Boom. Alright, so this was kind of like where comp was hanging out for a little while. For like 445 days. Then comp broke out of the top of it, of the range, and then back tested, found support of what was prior resistance is now support. He says, I hear two of you. Goonie, are you capping? Is there anyone else here, two of me? Echo. Goonie, don't be a Goonie. All right. Retracement. All right, so listen, this is like really good structurally. A breakout of prior resistance. Resistance is like a ceiling. You break out of that, and then you back test the ceiling as the new floor. Okay, so this is really good for comp. Now, automatic rally is $130. Retracement, $434. Parabolic level, 2,180. H bar, XRP. I did XRP the full TA on that. Jill says, nope, only one of you. There can only be one, you boy ski. The world is not ready for two. Okay? H bar 2, I got you, bro. EWT is on the list, my friend. Did I miss? This was comp. Clean breakout of the bottom of the range for comp. All right, let's continue. LSS, Scale, Matic, Link, BBTF, Uniswap, KDA, VRA, CAT, Caspa, Ocean, EWT, ADA, HBAR, I was saying that was a clean breakout. That was comp, COMP. Clean breakout of the bottom. Now, it doesn't mean it's going to go parabolic, but it's not hanging out in the depths of despair anymore, which is good. Very good. Very nice. LSS. NXRA. Please, good sir. Please, sir, may I have some more? May I have another? Jill says, just do all the cryptos. I got you, bro. Theta. Automatic rally, 32 cents. Retracement, $1.43. This is LSS. Parabolic level for LSS is $7.11. 711. 7011. Scale. Automatic rally, 6.3 cents for scale. Retracement, 21 cents. Parabolic level is $1 hair. Matic. Matic is probably the coin that made me the most money. Definitely up there. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. I got you, bro. I already did the TA on Bitcoin, but we'll take a recap, but I'll give you my price prediction in the bull run. All right, retracement for Matic. So Matic's been one of the strongest performers in the bear market. Went all the way up to the 0.5, got rejected, came back down, and then we came back up to the 236. That's kind of where we're hanging out right now. Now, the max retracement for Matic is $2.11. Parabolic level, $9.68. Rio. Got you, bro. Link. Ooh. Yeah, Link's testing the top of this range that it's just been hanging out in. It's been hanging out in between $8.88 and $5 for the better part of almost 500 days now. It's just been hanging out. Me, just hanging around. Just hanging around. So we'll see if we get a breakout finally. But if not, it's probably going to back test, come back down to 888 is like where it keeps getting rejected. That's like a firm ceiling. We'll see what happens. If it gets rejected, it's going to come back down to $7 around there. The automatic rally would be $10. Retracement for Link is $28. Now, the good part about this, like when you see this, like 500 days, this is 500 days of a floor. This is a rock solid floor, bro. Rock solid. I would be shocked if Link ever in its life goes below $5. This is rock solid floor right here. You love to see it. Parabolic level for Link, $178. Excuse me. I bought more quant last week. Let's go, Joe. Joe's up. Beat. All right, let's continue. You think we're going to see a drop in Bitcoin after this accumulation? After the retracement. So like when we get to 48K, I think we're going to drop back into the mid 20s ish. In the micro, I'm looking at 28.5. Anything under 29K is a steal. Yeah, Beetlejuice, your quote. Yeah. Me? Just hanging around. Link? Just hanging around. All right, BBTF. I can't do that one. If you gave me that one, give me another one. Uniswap. Pulse and Hex. The Hexicans in the house. Richard. I got you. All right, automatic rally for Uniswap, $7.50. Retracement, $23. Parabolic level, 110 doll hairs. KDA, VRA. He says, I miss Matic. It's still here, bro. He said, dang, Uni looking extra breedable and submissive. Could you do ADS, good sir? I got you, bro. Damn, Sarge. What are you doing down here? Yeah, it's not looking great that it's breaking to the downside at this stage of the market. You don't love that. So KDA needs to get moving. Automatic rally is $1.32. Your cam, I got you. We'll fix it after KDA. $5 is the retracement. Max retracement is $6.20. If it doesn't get moving, I would consider de-risking most of your portfolio there. If it wants to go parabolic, $24. Thanks for letting me know. My camera is not a good streaming camera, but we work with what we got. Next big purchase that I'm making for next investment that I'm making for the channel is a new camera. Why did H-bar drop from your top 5? It dropped from my top 5 because I had an interview with a developer. Not an interview, but I was in a cigar lounge, and there just happened to be a high-level crypto developer there, and we got to talking, and I just picked his brain. You know, it became apparent that, you know, people were asking about crypto, and I was sort of talking, because that's what I do, right? I talk about crypto. But he was also talking about crypto. But I was kind of taking the lead, and then he told me who he was, what he worked for, and some of the stuff that he's doing, and it became apparent to me, like, this guy knows more about crypto than I know about crypto. And so I started picking his brain, and I asked him a lot of stuff, and he told me some things about H-bar. I still love H-bar, big picture, long term, but the next bull run, I'm not as bullish as I was, which is why it dropped from my top 5. And the reason is because he clarified the inflation thing to me. Okay, so there was like this whole inflation thing going around about H-bar, but no one was explaining it properly what was going on. He explained it proper to me. And basically, the maximum supply of H-bar is still 50 billion H-bar. That is still the maximum supply. And incrementally, there was supposed to be certain time where they released certain H-bar up to that 50 billion. But what they did was they have been releasing more ahead of schedule than what they have supposed to. The total maximum supply as of now is still the same, which is why I'm still bullish big picture. But they have released much more H-bar than they were supposed to at this stage in the market. Translation: there is more supply than there is supposed to be currently. And price equals supply demand. And especially if you measure the chart on market cap, it's much lower than where it's supposed to be on the price. It should be in the 20-cent range right now. Neo, please. I got you. Ooh, Neo. Neo has a chance for me to come into my top 10 because he also told me a lot about Neo as well. He said that they were throwing real money at it, developing. So he says, what's your top 5 now? I have like a top 4 now. I don't know that I have a top 5. I need to really ponder on who I want to put in that coveted top 5 spot. But my top 4 has a good 65% of my portfolio. Top 4, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Quant. I don't know who I'm going to put in that top 5. There are some good candidates. There's a lot of coins that I like, but I haven't pondered it enough. Gala, I got you. So there you go. That's why H-bar was removed from my top 5. Big picture, I still like the technology. XLM. 4chain. I still like the technology. I still think it's a great project. I'm just less bullish for this particular bull run. All right. Let's keep removing. VRA. VRA already went parabolic. Let's have a look at XLM, brother. I got you. I remember it from our previous live stream, though. $3.11 is the parabolic. All right, so this thing already went parabolic. We pulled a new fib. Retracement 007. Parabolic for VRA is 2.9 cents. Now, it hasn't had a proper bull run, so it could go a lot higher, but that's what the Fibonacci say. Cat. Caspa Ocean. EWT. 1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 $1 It will be good to know your top 5 without Bitcoin, ETH, and ETH. I have my full portfolio and percentages are on my Patreon. Or if you want to become a YouTube member, level 2, you get access to my private Discord. I have all that stuff on there. Can you do VET? Ashley says, don't you think that Elon's X logo looks very similar to parts of Stellar logo and the XRP logo? It does by design. Anything that is X, I'll just say it like this, without getting too woo-woo and, you know, way left field. Anything with an X with it, or a 21, they are a part of the club. Alright? They are a part of the same game. Part of the ship, part of the crew. They're all a part of the same team. So there's a reason they look similar. Because they are, in fact, similar. And wouldn't it just be funny if Twitter, who has aspirations to get into the finance and the banking sector, if they just used those two? He says we are watching. Hey, you get your eyeball out of here, bro. Cat. Retracement is 2.5 cents and XRA is on the list, brother. Parabolic, 9.25 cents. Caspa with a K. Caspa might be the winner of the mining war. It's the most profitable. I don't know anything about this coin. But somebody will win this mining war. I can guarantee you. It could be Caspa. I'm betting on Ergo personally, because I like the development on it better. Rejection at the top here. Looks like we're probably going to come back down to the moving average, which will probably be the 702. Looking at 3.3 cents to the downside. Parabolic level, 11 cents for Caspa. It hasn't had a proper bull run, so it could go higher. He says no, XCN. Listen. He says, can you do Zilliqa? I did Zilliqa already. I don't remember what the price was. If somebody remembers it, help them out. If not, just go back in the video. It was... Zilliqa was after, so it was XYO, LCX, render, and then Zilliqa. If you got to ICP comp, you went too far. He says, who creates these rules for X and 21? Let's tinfoil hat this. The creator is I don't know who the creator is to you. I know who rules this realm. That's who creates the connections. The ruler of this realm. Speaking of coins connected, he says, can you do Crow? I got you. All right, we're going to have to Ocean EWT. Says the Illuminati creates all these symbols. I've personally been offered to join the club. Yeah, I mean, a lot of answers are right on the dollar bill. Flair. But I hit a runner. Automatic rally for Ocean. We're hanging out there. Retracement is 9.9 cents. I lied. 99 cents, excuse me. Parabolic level for Ocean is $4.80. EWT. Automatic rally, $5.37. Retracement, $13.90. Parabolic for EWT is $63. $63, excuse me. $63 for EWT. Ash says, left the public spotlight and moved to the other side of the world where nobody knows me. Hey, you know what? I think it's much better to be rich and anonymous rather than rich and famous. I guess no love for Hex. Hex is on the list, bro. Don't you worry. I'm going in order, Eddie K. ADA is next. I have a list. I have a plan. We're going to steal moon. Automatic rally for ADA is 43 cents. Retracement, $1.39. Parabolic level for ADA is $8.88. H Barbarian. See, this is what I'm saying. Like the market cap, if you look at the market cap versus like the market cap is near the 236 for H bar, where you know the price is nowhere near the 236. So I think we're only going to retrace for H bar. So retracement 19 cents. The maximum retracement is 30 cents. I don't think we're going to go higher than that this particular bull run. Now, if HBAR wants to prove me wrong and go, you know, whatever, $1.59. Big picture for HBAR could go over, you know, $5. Next year, Bitcoin having institutional investors come after U.S. House Senate pass crypto laws. You better believe it. The next bull run is institutions. It will be led by institutions. NXRA, Theta, Bitcoin, Rio, Pulse, Hex, ADS, Neo, Gala, 4chain, XLM, VET, Crow, and Flare. NXRA. So NXRA hasn't had a proper bull run. So it could go higher than this. But retracement, 9.3 cents. Parabolic, 27 cents. Theta. Retracement, $2.17. Is the automatic rally. Retracement is $8. Parabolic level for Theta, $39. Bitcoin. Maximum retracement is 52,000. Parabolic level, 207,000. At that point, once we start getting above 100K, which the 1618 is at 97K. So that is a potential spot where we could get stopped out at. But if we get above 100K, people are going to start calling for $1 million Bitcoin. That's your cue that the run is over. Realistically, my price prediction is 88K to 207,000. Is about as high as I think it will go. It could sneak up to $250,000, but not much more than that this bull run. Realistically, I'll be out most of my Bitcoin at 188K. Rio. I did H bar already. 30 cents. Gala, I got you. Is on the list already. Retracement for Rio, 136. Parabolic level for Rio is $7. XRP. My price prediction for XRP is between $5 to $14. This bull run. Pulse. Pulse hasn't had a proper bull run, so it could go a lot higher. 0002 is the retracement parabolic level. 00059. It could probably get to a cent, honestly. Hex. Automatic rally for Hex is 4.5 cents. Retracement, 28 cents. Parabolic level for Hex is $1.43. What are we talking about here? That's 150x. That's insane. Wait, am I sure I did that right? Let me check my math here. Damn, just to the retracement is a 45x. That's insane. Hex looking extra readable and sweetness. ADS. All right, we got a couple more coins. We're gonna have to wrap it up. Retracement is 27 cents. Parabolic, $1.15. Neo, Gala, 4-chain, XLM, VET, Crow, Flare. I would take profit on Hex at the retracements and hold a little bit for the 100+ X. But it literally could, just based off of Fibonacci's, which is crazy. Neo. Apparently Neo is throwing real money at development when it's not sexy to do so. Automatic rally, $16. Retracement, $69. Nice. Parabolic level, $340. Four chain. I can't do 4-chain. You had 4-chain, give me another one. XLM. Excellent clean breakout here. The next price target to the upside, you're looking at 26 cents. Downside targets would be a back test of this breakout range. 13 cents for downside targets. Retracement for XLM is 48 cents. And the parabolic is $2 I'm sorry, $3.11. VET, Crow, Flare. Automatic rally is 3.9 cents. Retracement, 14 cents. Parabolic level is 70 cents for VET, excuse me. Crow. Automatic rally for Crow is 10 cents. Retracement, 50 cents. Max retracement, 69 cents. Nice. Parabolic level, $3.33. Flare. Flare's the last one. I'll be on here tomorrow. So if I didn't get your coin, I'll be here tomorrow. Retracement is 4.6 cents. Max retracement is 5.8 cents. Parabolic level is 25 cents. No Gala. I think I did Gala. Did I skip Gala? Alright, Gala is the last one because I had that one on the list already. Automatic rally for Gala is 6 cents. Retracement for Gala, 38 cents. Maximum retracement, 54 cents. I would take profit at these levels. Parabolic level, $2. Alright guys, if you want to learn how to trade for the price of a cup of coffee, on YouTube it's going to be the second level. You're going to get access to my private Discord, buy, sell alerts, and all the videos on how to trade. If you're not on YouTube, you can join the Patreon, link in bio for that. Also, you get access to my private Discord. All my links are in the description. YouTube is at @YaBoySki, Instagram at @YaBoySki, TikTok at @YaBoySki, Twitter at Gayeski. I will never, ever, ever message you and ask you, how the hell's your trading going, friend? That is a scammer. Please report them. These low-life scumbags. Please report them. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe. Follow me for more, you savages. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.
Damn hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, hustling.